Good morning, Avon team. I just wanted to show you something I found this past week or so that has been very beneficial to me in sending out bulk text messages to my customer list to do product reminders or product specials or whatever it is you need to do. So when I first started with Avon, I was a little reluctant to put my phone number out there everywhere. So what I did instead was I created a Google Voice phone number. So you have to have a Google account to do this. Even just a Gmail means you have a Google account. And I looked over here first in my little Rubik's Cube with all my apps for Google Voice, and I didn't see it. So all I did was go to Google and just searched for Google Voice, and it comes up here. Here's voice.google.com, which most all of the Google apps are just the name of the app.google.com. So if you want Gmail, it's gmail.google.com. If you want Drive, it's drive.google.com. If you want Voice, it's voice.google.com. So when you go to Google Voice, here's what you get. You're going to have to set up a phone number. So what you can do, let's try over here on settings, sorry. What you need to do is to choose a phone number, and I chose one that had, a similar area code to my own, of course. So I'm in Newburgh, Indiana. I picked Newburgh, and it generates different phone numbers for me that I can use. This will become my Avon phone number. You can put it on the back of your vehicle, and I'm going to show you in just a second how to use this Google Bulk Texter. So that you can send messages from your computer. There is a Google Voice app for your phone, and it's really nice because you connect it to your real phone number, and so if someone calls this number, it will ring on your actual phone, and you even have the option of screening those phone calls before you answer them, so you can choose whether you want to answer them or not. But basically through the Google Voice app, someone can call you and or text you will respond to your messages. So once you've got this set up, and I'm not going to go through these steps here because I've already got a number set up, but once you get this set up, you're going to have to verify it. It will ask you to put in your real cell phone number, the phone that you want to connect this to, and then it'll send you a code to verify it. Now, once Google Voice is set up, let me show you what mine looks like. I actually have this one set up for my work, but I've started using it for my Avon business as well, so I will transition it once school is out to being totally Avon only. So if you look through here, you can see, and please don't record any of these phone numbers, but you can see that I have been messaging all of these people, and they can respond to my messages as well. So if I want to send a new message, I just hit send new message. I choose someone I want to send it to, and then you type your message over here and hit send. They can respond to this, and you can see it on this website for Google Voice, or you can see it on your cell phone app as well. So, getting rid of those for privacy reasons, I'm going to show you how to do this bulk texter. If you search the Chrome store for the Google Bulk Texter, it's actually Google Voice Bulk Texter, you can add it to your Chrome browser, and you'll see mine is actually right here. It has this same icon, but it's up here in my browser. And when I click on that, what it does is it gives me these screens where I can set up a message, like this one says, hi, name, whatever name you have put in there for your client. Thanks for using Google Voice Bulk Texter. What you have to do is take your client list and put in their phone number and first name, if you want it to address them by name. And what I do is just, customize my message each time. I sign it, Christina with Avon, so they realize that it's me. The first time I sent out a message, I just said something like, hey, I'm using a new texting service. Just add this number to my contact. It does not replace my regular phone number. So they realize that they're getting text messages from me from two different numbers. But basically, you can download your customer sheet out of your address book in Avon 2.0. you can play around with the Excel sheet and get this information into the correct format so that you can copy paste it in here, and then you hit send messages and it will send, I think right now I have 250 customers, give or take, and it just goes one at a time, sends them individually to each person. It'll say, hi, Amy, hi, Susie, person by person until it is texted every single person on the list that I pasted in here. So just a neat little thing that you can try. If nothing else, you might want to get a Google Voice number just so that you have that extra phone number for your business. If you want to do the bulk texting, this is a great option for doing bulk text messages. And it takes a little bit of work on the front end, but then it just runs automatically in the background once you get your message set up and ready to go. So there it is. Happy texting.